I was so happy to be married that when it broke, I was in like a lot of anger, a lot of resentment, a lot of like, what the hell. That apology is still due. And for that apology, like if he doesn't feel it, I will go till whatever end there is of the world to get that apology, because you don't get to do this. You don't get to come and get married and be the dulha and then say, "Shaadi to hui nahi." I thought she was married to a very big businessman. I'm like, sorry, no. Which also I had to say it out loud. I didn't think people would just assume कि एक actor ने शादी की है तो पैसा ही देख के की होगी. How will he justify कि you know एक तो मैंने गलत किया, एक तो मैंने शादी को ही deny कर दिया, ऊपर से मैं अपनी girlfriend लेके तुम्हारे, and he knows where I stay. He literally came पड़ोस में with his girlfriend within few months of me coming here. I have made you famous. Like today, if you Google his name, it comes Daljeet Kaur's husband.
Yeah.
It's sad in a way, but he wanted it, I think. All you need to do is actually just say, I'm going to take care of your son and I'll be nice to him.
Yes.
That's all you needed to say. And I would lay my life to you.
You know, infidelity, when it becomes a part of any relationship, even the most confident women that I know, it shakes them up.
I feel like an Amazon package, which was online. अच्छा ये अच्छा है, इसका ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, ये काम आएगा, ले लिया. फिर खोल के देखा, थोड़ा यूज़ किया, लगा नहीं, I can do better. So आपने उसको wrap up किया और भेज दिया.
When it happened for the first time, you were younger.
Yeah.
Also, Jaden was like a child, a kid, and a newborn baby, right?
I was mentally, I think बहुत बाद में समझ में आया, physically not ready. Because I had just given birth.
Yeah.
I had just like produced a child for the first time. Because people were like, अरे यार शालीन तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे होंगे, आपके साथ तो होंगे and all of that. And then one day I had to be like, why should I be scared to answer? नहीं है तो नहीं है. Proof तो दिया नहीं. हमें कैसे पता वो violent है? I said it is not. मैं यहाँ proof करने बैठी ही नहीं हूँ. But for him to vanish midway at the age of 9.
Yeah.
1 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल तक भी टाइम था उसके पास, मैं तब भी शायद forgive कर देती. At 9, वो बच्चे को तो यही लग रहा है ना शायद मैंने कुछ गलत किया. Jaden को definitely it was, I think, more tougher in a way.
Yeah.
It took him a while, but I think the therapies worked, and he's in a better place.